Well, the turkey decided to come visit the cows. And the hormones are a-raging in the cow field today. These are all the boys fighting each other. And over there in the distance are all the girls ignoring them and eating.